Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Recently, I received some ceramic sealant from FLITZ. They also sent a roll of microfiber tiles. Come 32 a roll. Now I'm going to zoom in, show everyone what they'll do. One thing about these tiles, they can be washed and reused up to 50 times. I'm going to show everyone what I did. I took this Smith & Wesson 640 to the range last week. I applied a ceramic coating on here. I want to show everyone I haven't touched this. I've left it in the rags. I'm going to show everyone how easy it cleans up. I was impressed with the coating and these rags. That's all I've done to this one. Now I'm going to open up the cylinder. You see it has a little burn rings. I want to see how well it worked on these. Although it did not take it all off, I do believe it's a little bit less than normal. FLITZ products are great, and I'm going to show everyone how you apply this. I'm going to show it on this ruger. Shake it up well. Spray a little on the rag. Doesn't take a whole lot. Just rub it into your firearm. Don't let it dry. You can see what it's doing already. Now we'll wipe that part off to make sure it's good and dry. Now, if anybody's wondering, this revolver was polished up with the FLITZ polish. I did quite a bit of work on it. They're not this shiny when they come out of the factory. It doesn't take just a few moments to apply this. They say this is supposed to be good up to maybe a year. I really like the way it works. And these are really soft cloths. I've had several products from FLITZ. I've never had a bad product from them. Now we're going to have a few final words. Now I hope I've shown everyone how well this works. As far as your burn rings, still got a little bit on. This FLITZ polish will remove every bit of the burn rings. I've been using this probably for 35 years or more. Can't really remember when I started. I highly urge you to go to FLITZ website. Order some of this. Right now you can get 20% off your first order. You can't go wrong with these. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, Like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.